Yo guys, welcome back. Tom Crown here. It is Wednesday and things are spicing up. Good to be here, good to be back. Been playing a lot of Baldur's Gate, not a lot of spice here. On Thursday last week we saw Bitcoin sell off to 25k depending on what exchange. Ooh, what exchange you're looking at. And since then we've seen some pretty unspicy moves, really just trading range bound from 25.5, and right now as we go live, seeing a little movement to the upside, hitting 26.4. You can see I have an alert set for 26.6-ish. Hasn't quite hit yet. Hopefully it will during this live stream. Today we're going to look at some interesting stuff going on in the crypto space, along with all of your favorite altcoins, Bitcoin, stocks, dollar, everything you could ask for. So what I need from you guys is to smash that like button. Uh-oh. Smash that like button, subscribe, share the stream. You know all the goodies. You know everything. We need engagement with the live stream. The more engagement we get, the more YouTube shows this stream to more people, and that's how we grow. So I appreciate you all. Join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown, as well as you're going to see me trading live today on both of our sponsors of this channel. That's Femex and Fairdesk, two of the greatest exchanges for crypto out there. I use them daily. You can use the links in the video description to sign up, no KYC, and you get some fat bonuses for using my link. So let's jump into the content, guys. Didn't mean to bring up the trades yet. Didn't want to ruin the surprise yet. Not yet. I've lost all my tabs. There we go. I found it. We're not lost. We're not lost. We got 100-something viewing on YouTube. Hell yeah, guys. Let's get into it. So there's some interesting stuff going on with Binance, and this is important. I don't really like to cover gibberish news, which is the majority of crypto news in general. But Binance, this is interesting. So I'm still figuring out the whole story from what we're hearing from you guys, and this is why I love having a platform. I love having a platform because I get to feed off of you guys. I get to address the concerns you guys are having. And we've had multiple people reply to a tweet I put out earlier with basically issues they're having. Sorry, I don't want to dox anyone. I should have read this over. Now, you posted it on Twitter. You already doxed yourself. Basically, unable to withdraw. This person in specific had 7,000 euros. They're unable to trade any crypto euro pair. Frozen 80% of the euros in their wallet. On the 15th, Binance decided to close their PaySafe account early. I believe they're having issues where they're closing euro on-ramps and off-ramps for fiat. Apparently, he talked to 57 agents. 57. This guy is a saint from the customer support, and they could not provide any concrete answers. We also had another person send us their mobile action required. It looks like Euro Fiat Payments partner PaySafe will stop offering SEPA deposits to services in Binance from the 25th of September, so that's about a month out. You have been detected as a high-frequency service user, and we need more time to review the data. We have closed your account early. So that's 2 reports directly from you guys of accounts being closed early despite the 23rd. So I think with the sentiment of the market, people are going to take this as bearish. They're going to say this is bad. Well, guys, great time to just rehash the lesson. Centralized exchanges are, at the moment, kind of a needed thing that eventually we hope to not have or need, but they are convenient, but there's always risk no matter what exchange it is, even Binance. Now, this isn't really people's funds being at risk necessarily to be lost, but changing up the rules, and really you're just on the leash. You don't have any choice over how this goes down. And while this story I don't think is necessarily negative in a meaningful way, we have seen things like FTX, Alameda, Three Arrows Capital, Celsius, BlockFi, the list goes on. Rest in peace to those places where we did have bad things happen. So always remember your risk management. Never put what you're not able or willing to lose on anything centralized. It should be in your wallet if you're not trading with it. But this article is kind of spinning it as maybe Bitcoin will get a boost soon. I don't know if I agree with that, though I would definitely welcome it. Because of Binance, this platform basically stopped letting people take out money for Bitcoin. Reminder, they don't interact with US exchanges on Binance.com, so the euro being removed is actually pretty big. That would leave what, like GBP, British pound, and a few other currencies that maybe you can withdraw. So basically what this is getting at is if money can't escape out, that money perhaps will collapse in and be bullish. And that's actually the argument I've made about Tether for a long time. I won't get into that today because Tether's not the source of this FUD. To double down on the Binance FUD, there are allegations of Binance dumping Bitcoin against BNB to prop up the value. And I don't know if we have any actual sources. Do we have any actual sources that say this, or is this just speculation? Might just be speculation. However, we have looked at Binance on this channel many times. You can even look at it again today. Wow, my beard's itchy. The chart is threatening. It's threatening. It's not doomed, but it can get ugly quick. So there's your little 101 on Binance stuff, as well as apparently lots of people are looking at Logan Paul right now after his crypto zoo rug pulled, I think last year. I believe another fighter challenged him to a fight and said that they're going to put the winnings to the victims of the rug or something. If that's true, this is pretty interesting. It looks like CoffeeZilla and others are calling out Logan Paul. Yeah, he hasn't paid back his victims. I saw something. Okay, Gideon, I don't know, reveals $100,000 wager on Dennis. Okay, it's Dylan Dennis defeating Logan Paul in order to compensate crypto zoo victims. So this is not a big crypto news thing. I just found it really interesting. Always fun to remind you guys that Logan Paul rug pulled us and everyone kind of forgot. And whoever this Dion, I cannot pronounce this, Dijon Mustard, whoever this is pretty cool, and it's going to draw attention to that rug pull. And I like that he's going to compensate the victims of his crypto zoo. So Logan Paul, pay back what you're owed. WTF, mate. WTF, mate. Trading on Femex. I haven't shown you guys my Femex trade in a while. Nothing has changed, but I did want to just show you guys. I forgot. You can't see it at the bottom of the screen here. This long is still open, and I have paid a buttload of fees because it's been open 8 months now. But I opened a long. You guys saw me do it at 16.5 thousand at the start or end of last year. I don't remember. We did realize about 3,000 in profit, and that's actually been eaten away here. People have asked me over and over again, how much in fees have you paid having that open? It looks like I've paid now from the realized P&L about $300 for the so far this year. That's actually not that bad. But you can see if that $300 was in fees, my margin right now, because I did close half of this, is only $830. So that is really eating away at that margin position, at that isolated part. That's getting up to about half of the margin position. If this wasn't in profit, that would have been an extra like 50% loss, etc. But Femex, love Femex. Sign up using my link, guys. It's in the chat. Fair Desk, I took some licks, so I don't I share with you guys my losses and my wins. I took some licks, man. I took some licks and I came back for more. I did reopen my long after getting absolutely savaged here. That ape long we took on the last stream, minus $600. The long I had open on BTC from like 29, minus 100. I did close some shorts for some slightly balancing P&Ls there. And also SHIB. SHIB basically took a shit after the Shibarium upgrade. No surprise. I warn you guys about crypto events, scheduled crypto events. Don't usually go as expected. But that ended up closing only $600 in profit. If you guys remember, that position was up a better part of $3,000. I only took 600-ish of profit. I should have taken more. So now we are to the charts. We have 226 watching. Not our biggest day. Not our biggest day. I'm not going to lie. It's my fault. With Professor Beans. By the way, Professor Beans is doing great. She's sleeping next to me. Her incisions are healed. Fingers crossed, though, that we won't have to deal with any cancer going forward. That's kind of just all I can hope for. But she's doing much, much better. But that combined, honestly, with Baldur's Gate coming out, I have been in a different world. And the last few days have allowed me to do that. We have about 5 days since that crash to 25K. Nothing has happened. And perhaps during this live stream, something will happen. It's looking like it. It is looking like it. Really quick here, because I am not as on the charts as I typically am. I want to get a good fib retracement here. This looks odd. Let's use like the daily. Yeah, I'm gonna use the daily. I'm not sure what will make the most sense to use, whether I should use the lower high before the fall or the yearly high back here. The yearly high actually looks kind of better with that 29.1, 29.2 at our 618 retracement. Let me make sure. Yep. Okay. That was, looking back at our previous charts, pretty much 29.1, 29.2. I was looking for support. Man, did we get crushed. I was looking for support at 27.2. Did not happen. Traded much lower. I want to do some really easy takeaways here. So we got our 618 back at 29.1. We'll look at our perps. We'll look at funding. We'll see if something or anything lines up there. But before we get to that, something of note, we have not broken June's low. So while this is absolutely miserable, I didn't expect 25. We were looking for some downside, so hopefully people didn't get too caught. But we didn't break the low, so the structure's still intact. We have still a higher high and a higher low, which is similar to our previous moves up and pullbacks in this year, as highlighted in that little video I put out the other day. I don't know if you guys like that. But we're still in form above 24,750, whatever that's worth. We're still in structure. And we do have something interesting here on the day. Down at 2650, we have a new level emerging here. And we find that from our daily opens and closes. We basically have a double bottom on our opens and closes, showing some support at the 26K level. These wicks below us are also showing us buyers have demand here. They're buying up supply when it dips under 26K. That is not bad. I'll take it. Absolutely, we're going to find all kinds of bullish divergence on this low. There's almost no way around it at this point. That sell-off was so brutal that almost every oscillator just slammed to the bottom here. On the daily, you can see RSI is... Whoa, what was that? That's new. I don't know if I like that or not. Weird. It only does it when you zoom in. I don't know. But you can see down here, RSI on the day is so incredibly oversold. Now, it doesn't mean price has to go up, but something we can look at here, zooming out, daily RSI hit 19. That is the lowest measurement since March 2020. That puts some, definitely puts some perspective on this. Like this sell-off here, when price went from 10 to 3, a 60-ish%, maybe a little more drop. And here we go, falling from 31. TradingView mixed up all these things. I have to try to find them. From 31 down to 25, only a 20% drop, and that's brought us down to the same RSI levels. This market is absolutely crunched on the sell side. I'm definitely looking for some upside. I'm definitely looking for a retracement. I'm not looking for lower lows yet. Lower lows, in my opinion, will come back on the table once we see a retracement to the upside. Remember, this is just how market works. Markets move up and down. But a retracement to the upside, this is where it can get really ugly. If we see, say, a move back to 29.1, this is where it can get very bad if we get rejected. Very bad. We can see much lower levels. At this point, with this daily, I'm actually feeling pretty good on that retracement back to like 29. Got this nice bottom. Basically, that's going to come down to today, closing above 26K, especially with this nice little bullish engulf setup. I think that will be primed. If we look on the weekly, that level is a little higher, 26.1. But we have this incredible market inefficiency all the way back up to 29.1 or 29.2, right around here. Price just moved down, leaving a gap of efficiency in the market. And typically we see that go to get filled. So hopefully we'll see some compelling signs on time frames as we look at them today. No. Money flow on the day looks, or on the week, now looks really bad after looking really good. I don't know how to really interpret that. It was looking really good up here before it fell. Maybe now looking bad. It's gonna move up. I don't know. I don't know. Let's look at some importance here. So here is the bad news, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Bad news. Bad news is that sell-off last week brought us and closed below the 200 weekly moving average. This is very bearish. I don't like this. The 200 weekly moving average sits at 27.5. We were looking at 29.1, 27.5 here though on the back test of the 200 is where things can get sketchy early. I may even look to, if my long is still open a little short there, but we lost it. So this week, the goal is to get back above 27.5. That will put the weekly in a fine position. What I really, really don't want to see, and what would be incredibly bearish in my opinion, is if the weekly does trade above 27.5, maybe has a wick to 29.2, and then sells off and closes below 27.5 again. That would be, in my opinion, the signal to go short, the signal to close up your longs. That would be very threatening. The 50 weekly, which is not something we've talked about much since we identified that we will get a golden cross eventually, sits down at 23.8. If we do see that rejection scenario, 23.8 might be a decent spot to look. If it takes a little bit extra time, I think logically we'll look to these support zones below us. That's around 24.3, 23.1. We can see the 50 kind of creeping in there. I'm trying to move this up. Nah, I'm going to keep that there. Creeping in there, and it's in our support zone. This would be, or completing of potentially an inverse head and shoulders pattern with the neckline firmly at 24.3. Maybe that's hopium. It probably is, but hey, sometimes you just gotta do some hopium, you know? Like your friends and family say you're hooked on hopium, and you're like, I'm not hooked on it, you're hooked on it. And then your friends and family are like, that's a really strange response to that question. So on the month, we did break that monthly fair value gap at 27.2. I was so hopeful of that. We can still see that same support down here, like that 23.2 area. However, monthly 50, interesting. We did find support in June. Closing 26.2 this month would be okay. Yeah. God, we really need September to swoop in here. That quarterly is in danger. I want to see September close above 28.5 for sure. It's starting to look a little saggy. All right, let me zoom back in here on the hourly just for a moment. I'll update you on some trades I've taken. Nice. As we were speculating just a little bit ago, Bitcoin is looking like it's moving up during this live stream. It has moved to a higher high while I've been talking. Excellent. 26,450. Yeah, there we go. Let's look really quickly at some of our favorite metrics here. Crypto fear and greed down deep in the fear zone, hovering at 37. We've seen it in the 50s almost all year, and then with that fall, it collapsed into the fear zone. Let me get that here. All right, that's bugging out. Into the fear zone, basically reflecting the market sentiment of number go down. That's spooky. Next up, liquidation map. Super charts. I did notice maybe CVD is giving us a good signal. Let's look at our liquidation levels. I don't love to see this. Longs look stacked here, weirdly. Up to 24.7. And I say stacked, but that's only $500,000. If you guys remember last week, and even I think earlier this week, we had $3.5 billion worth of short liquidations up to 30.6, and we had about 1.8 to the downside on longs. Those all got liquidated. Now it looks like stacked to the long side, only $500 million, and to the short side, we can only see up to 27.3, about 200 million. That's very low. That's incredibly low, actually. If we look at the last 7-day change, shorts still have the majority position. Interesting. We see a lot of liquidations at 26.2 and a big spike in them at 25.8, we'll call it. Does that line up with anything we're seeing? Not really. Shorts, pretty gradual up to 26.7. That might be where we're looking here on this little rally that has continued. 26.7. Let's call it 26.8 maybe. Something like that. This is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty likely that we'll see 26.8 today, 26.7. Let me see his lower time frames real quick. Hourly rolling over. I'll take it. Nice. It's happening right in front of us, I think. 5 minute with a beautiful RSI rally here. Higher highs, higher lows, and that RSI moving average on the 5 moving into overbought. Market cipher B reflecting a very similar things. A clear uptrend here. Does not show signs of exhaustion yet. 15-minute rolling over. I think that's my upside target for today. Get like 26.7. I'm going to jump in the chat here in just a second. Our little TA experiment of the day. Bearish or bullish on this? We've inverted the chart. This is looking pretty Bart Simpson-y, not going to lie. I forget how to draw Bart now. Don't have a cow, dude. There we go. A little Bart Simpson-y. Chart is inverted. That's looking pretty good. Looking probably for that 26.7 to swoop up them liquidations. Funding is still below neutral, so slightly in the bullish category. We've seen this pretty low over the last few weeks. I like to see token margin in the negative. That's pretty nice, pretty bully. And let's hop into our super chart here. Open interest is climbing as of right about here. Weird. Not a definitive direction there on open interest with the move. Seeing some big shorts, actually. Liquidations come in right now. A few $1 million over the last 30 minutes. Looks like about 10 million in the last like 45 minutes. Right here is where open interest started changing, which is odd. As open interest began climbing right here, but price went down then up. But it is still climbing right now. Need to see it kind of apex this open interest high from earlier. CVD. All right, here it is. CVD is looking very healthy. When you look at the chart this way, it's not so bad. CVD making higher highs. We haven't seen that happen, really. If we go back, you'll see that CVD has really struggled to make any kind of progress. It has basically just trended down. I think I do have a short video that'll be coming out soon about CVD. A little in-depth study. We can see funding went extremely negative on that dump, and it's remained relatively negative this entire time, which would suggest that more shorts are opening, and that's more potential squeeze fuel. Here we go. We got 420 watching. Blaze it. The ultimate number. No one leave. No one join. We've got 420, baby. Let's get 420 likes. We only have 150 likes. Those are rookie numbers, guys. You should do better for yourself, and you should do better for us. You can do better. All right, I'm maneuvering over to the chat through my 8 million windows. I need more screens. It's a vibe. You need more screens. All right, pulling up the chat, guys. If you are here today, let me know. I see Alex Wells, Andreas X, BG, Brendan was there at the beginning, Brykaz 0613. What's up, man? CoinsChick, the beautiful, wonderful CoinsChick. CoinsChick, have you published anything that I can chill? You did on friend.tech. Check out the cutie patootie CoinsChick's article. She's as smart as she is cute. On Friend Tech, I actually was just recommended to sign up for this. Not to shill it to people, but apparently to let the bots buy it. Check out that article on crownanalysis.com. I think I need an invite code. Do I need an invite code? I don't know. What's up, bro tip? There you are, my friend. How you doing, man? Blue skies. I see Crypto King. The King. Crypto Steve O. Fade and Tradfi's back again for another taste of the crown. Felipe Marquise. Gear, my friend. You are here so consistently. I love it. Haven Peck. 100 Air. The man. Been a member for over a year. Love it. Love it. Crypto Craze. How you doing, man? IV Joshua Tree. J Bond the Lake Bits. How you doing, bro? How you doing, Franz? Where's my vape? Where's my vape? Did you guys take my vape? That's not good. Wait, hold up. Oh. I guess that's my punishment. I don't have it. I don't know what I did with it. What's up, IV? Jonah Plainclothes, my man, here every single stream. I love you. Kai Wonderland. Kai is my future wife. Just so you guys know, if you guys could put something in the chat about that, just maybe a little peer pressure, nothing rude. Certainly nothing rude. This is like a Gina situation. Ban mods, ban anyone who's rude to Kai. Okay, Life for Adam, how you doing, brother? Magnus Larson, Marcelo Rodriguez, Marissa Bonato, Mark the Shark, Moggy Games, how you doing, darling? Mike Bennett, Mike Min Not, I don't know if I pronounced that right. Mohammed Jafari is back. How you doing, Mohammed? Mustafa LD, but nobody. Oh no, Y2K, my brother. Ovo Cow, Ramin Alas Al Qasir, Razvan96, how you doing, dude? Good to see you. Renee Silva is back, one of our OGs of this channel. Rikus Brewer, Rory the Rollin' Robot, the best robot to party with. Robot, not to be confused with Rory. Shannon Carter, Shrink Tech, how you doing, bro? Sniper Paul, Solidi, my man was here at the beginning of the show. Sprouksy, Stix96, Stymie Snurdly, how you doing, Stymie? That sounds like my Baldur's Gate character. Sudeep, how you doing? Sukrat, Pickle, my right-hand man, Pickle, NL Koala Gamer, Tony Rosas, Vishhearts, Wick, my man, Wick, Zoltan, Zoom Out and Smile, and Monkey. If I missed you, it's because you didn't have anything put into the chat when I started reading them. But now I can look and see who's responded since then. I'm never worried, friends. I've been in this rodeo too long to be worried. I've seen Bitcoin do things that people said would never happen. That was impossible. Then I saw it do it again backwards. Where did my vape go? I don't know. That's weird. Mike Bennett says, hey, IV, hello, Tickle Bear here. How you doing, Tickle Bear? More screens. Big hearts, hell yeah. Hola, present, you're here. Long, Felipe's long. Shill it. What's up, Sticks? The beautiful future wife Kai works for Femex. She's my affiliate manager. So sign up using my link to make me look good. You guys got to hook it up. Wingman me there. Tom, we worried? Never. Never, Wick. Never. It's a scam. Be careful. Probably is. I'm not saying buy it. I think that it's probably smart for me to make one. I think bots, there's like market making bots on it. I think they'll buy it up. Like not to the moon, but I think I could probably cash out some dollars based on it. Don't buy it as an investment. I'm telling you my plan. I'm hoping bots buy it so I just harvest some money from their bots. That's kind of it. Rikus is in a so long today. Right on. What's up, bro? Tip. Crypto crazy. Yo. Vish Hearts, happy candle. Sue Deep. Rand called it a scam. Well, you know. No comment. I mean, I bet it is. Love you, bro, from Egypt. Love Egypt. Shout out to Egypt. Crown Pow. Elionix Rodriguez. Crow Pow. I like that. Crow Pow. Comment of engagement, Magnus. You're a hero. You're a hero. You needed it, bro. Hell yeah. Sharon Carter. Hello, Mr. Crown. What did I miss? Are we going to the moon today? Yeah. If 26/7 is your moon, then moon is today. Your moon has been in your heart the whole time. Frentech is a scam. Be careful. They can even tweet for you. Joe Biden. I don't know. Should we trust Joe Biden yelling about Frentech? Guys, I'm not encouraging you to get it. Runaway vapes piss me off, yeah. I'm not encouraging you to get it. It probably is a scam. I am going to be very careful. Bitty Bitcoin, baby. That's right, Crypto Fever. Kai. Dylan Waves, a classic question. Marry him. Thank you, Bathwater. Kai is your future wife. Look at this. I mean, Kai, you can't say no now. This is... I don't make the rules, man. I don't make the rules. Now you have to marry me. It's okay. He has a crown. Chart the vape. I'll chart the location of the vape in my house to find the most problem. I don't know. Filipina with love. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Marissa. How you doing, darling? 6'9", sure. Vapes in the refrigerator. I have found it there once after a very crazy night. Hola, TC fam. What's up, S-Dog? Daniel Lehman, Discord is fire. Yeah, guys, I do want to shout out everyone. Monkey, Oh No Y2K, Steve. Who else is in there all the time? God. All the boys. You guys make that Discord 20. It's more poppin' than this stream. Join the Discord. Discord.gg/TomCrown. It really is more poppin' even than the stream. You guys are always chatting. Hell yeah. I love it. You're developing our community. I need it. 350 EMA. On daily. Check it out, Mr. Crown. Would love to see your thoughts on a cryptogenic dude. All right. I don't know. Why not? I need a haircut and a beard cut. Just saying. Just saying. I look like a hobo. You want 350. 350 EMA on the day. 350 EMA on the day. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pico. Pico. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, historically, it actually looks pretty nice. I mean, as far back as I can see on Coinbase. Yeah, I can see that. A little test of it in May. Launched off. Consolidation summer 21. Rejected. Fell back below. Huh. Definitely interesting. Definitely interesting. I think it's very, very close to the 200 weekly, right? Very close to the 200 daily as well. Almost all our moving averages are like right here. You know what's not so hot? We're below the 200 day and the 200 week. Let me put this like this. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're below the 200 day and the 200 week. That's not ideal. There's the week. There's the day. Not ideal. And actually, what we see, if you look back here in February of this year, we got a golden cross on the daily, which literally signaled and we dropped like that day. We rallied and then fell further to the 200 daily before moving higher. The 50 has been above the 200 this whole time. And actually, here we go again with the weirdness. So here is a 50-100 daily bearish cross or death cross, bearish cross, on the 14th of June. And literally, that's when we started rallying. Very counterintuitive, very not helpful from a TA point. But what we do see now is the 200 is slowing down and the 50 is coming down to cross it. We may get a daily death cross. I should make a clickbait video about it. Daily death cross. Come on. That is looking pretty soon, actually. Probably early September. Well, looking at these examples, we might say maybe that is bullish. I don't know, because none of these crosses we see on the day are interacting or playing out the way that we would typically expect them to. None of them. But daily death cross coming up. Mark your calendars. You're going to hear it from Ran. You're going to hear it from every analyst as soon as I tweet about it. Because that's the way it goes. That's the way it goes. Our little rally on Bitcoin's taking a breather, it seems. We did hit a higher high. Closed as like a little tall wick doji. Not the best, but still I think things are looking all right here. 15-minute looking for a small... Oh, man, 26.5. This keeps happening. Our major support levels keep being these golden retracements. 26.50, maybe an entry there. Damn it, TradingView, I can't find anything anymore. You mixed everything up. This potential trade. No, what is happening? Here we go. Basically looking for this 15-minute order block-ish type thing. It's also our 786 retracement, 25.9 as my stop here. Basically just targeting that 618 retracement using our order block as a stop. And what? This is all theoretical, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just me walking you through what I'd be doing if you weren't here anyway. I like that. Only follow me if you want to lose money. And maybe we'll do this. Ooh. Remington Peralt. Mr. Crown, I legit love your life, brother. I love your life too. God bless you, my friend. God bless you, Remington. 5 months strong. Hail to the yeah. We've got 250 likes. Guys, we have 440 people watching. If everyone just picks up their finger, puts it on the mouse, goes over there and just clicks that button, we'll have 420 likes. Do you know what that means? Do you know what happens when we get 420 likes on the stream? Find out. You'll find out. Click it. Just go ahead, click it. You'll find out. Love from North Korea. What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Did I really just read that? Pretend like you're not here, Magnus. I refuse. What's up, HO? Rand doesn't inspire trust here, says Brendan. You guys, I will never talk badly about any of my peers. But you guys are absolutely welcome to have your opinion on every single one. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. Ben Armstrong, probably the most talked about example here. You guys are allowed to feel how you want. What's up, Edward Park? French Toaster, BG, Bear Div and Play, Angie Z says she's sorry, but Rand's not an analyst. No comment. What's up, Wolfman? How you doing, dude? Robert Liu. Andrea Solana already saying goodbye. Sorry you're late, Randy. You're always allowed to be late, man. We're here. We're here. Not gonna lie, is that Bitcoin in a picture frame or a green screen? Wait. You're saying you don't think this is real? What? You're crazy, dude. You're crazy. That's definitely 100% in the picture. 1 year madness ahead, says Andreas. I like that. I like that a lot. Sui coming to life again. I did see it was rallying. What's up, loading name? The Discord is absolutely wild. Thank you, S-Dog, for the endorsement. Crown Town, baby. Jump in there. All right, we're getting more upside movement, and what a convenient time. You guys know I've already shared losses with you today. I've already shared some of the big L's I took from that sell-off. I'm going to show you the next big L that's coming up. I think I might have accidentally peaked it here, but I did take an irresponsibly large long out. 26.6. The entry is not great. I averaged down with limit orders, and now I'm here. If this gets stopped out, basically if Bitcoin hits a new low, I will lose about $2,000 more. This is prime example of bad trading. You can call it revenge trading. Don't do as I do. Don't do as I do. You can see even at 26.6, or the target basically for the upside today, I'm just break even. Yeah. Yep. But our short, Bitcoin short, still doing all right, up 33%. You know what? I want to close some of this. I'll do that. I'll do that when I have a minute to myself. Or while I talk out loud here. We'll see. We shall see. I'm glad we have so many viewers. We're popping up to about 500. If you guys could just engage with the chat if you haven't yet. Put something in the chat. Let's put a poll up here. Poll. Bitcoin going up or down? Up, down. Yes. There you go. There you go. Please vote in that poll. It helps engagement. Share the stream. Just click the share button. Copy the link. I think that's all you have to do. Hit the like button. Put something in the chat. Hit those little reaction emojis. I don't know. Let's get the engagement up just a little bit. See if we can break 500. It's been a while. This isn't the spiciest day. Maybe this green is getting people a little excited. We are about to jump into some alts, so don't worry. Don't worry. I haven't forgotten. And maybe we'll even let you pick some trades here in a little bit. We didn't get that on Friday. But I want to get 500 viewers. It's been a bit. It's not that spicy. I think that's a good flex. What do I think of CAS long term? I don't know much about it, Rikus. It did break its all-time high, and now it's settled back below it. Didn't have too much time in price discovery, but that's likely just weighed down by the rest of the crypto market. Bitcoin struggling. Hello, it's you, FOMO Sapien. It is you. Wolf Man ate my crypto, became a bro. Love you, man. You know, can I gift people? I saw that Frankie Candles gifted his audience memberships. I didn't think I could. I know I could because I've done it before. Let's do this. You're ready, baby. If we get 420 likes, I will gift out memberships. Wow, you can do 250 at a time. Whoa. I should make a lower tier membership just so these are easier to gift. Should I do that? We'll make that a new poll. That's a good poll. Bitcoin is just waiting to move up. Good. 140 of you voted on that poll. Let's close it, make a new one here. We're going to spam the engagement. I think $1 is the lowest it can go. It's currently like 5. I made that like, I don't know, years ago when they first came out. $1, $2, $3, $4. I think $1 makes the most sense because I don't make any money off these guys. Like, especially if you sign up with like an iPhone through the Apple Store or whatever, takes 30%, then YouTube takes 30%, then Taxman takes 50%, and I'm left on $1 of like, I don't know, pennies. Hola, Tom. Hola, senor. What's up? Membership of what? Just the channel. You just get the emojis and stuff. There's not a lot to it. We might add something in the Discord as time goes on to like maybe sweeten it. But yeah, what's up, Ninja Glock, brother Ninja? Eric Leon, we most likely will retest the lows. Eric Leon, can you explain to us, in the best of terms, for what reason? Why are you seeing that? I'm not doubting it. Just why are you seeing it? What is it that you see that makes you believe we're going lower? Not disagreeing, not agreeing. Definitely could go lower. Definitely. Okay. My gift has been announced. There you go. There's 5. We'll do more if we get 420 likes today. We haven't done it in a while. I haven't gifted memberships in a while. I kind of forgot about that. Okay. LFG Jonah. Yes. Jonah got one. Yes. Muhammad got one. Yes. I wish I could pick these. I can't though. It's just random. Crunk C. What up, man? You need your card. $1. All right, you guys want a $1? I don't know if I can even do it while I'm live, honestly. I'll try not to. But I am ADD. Monetization. Let's see. Earn. All right, Bitcoin pressing higher here. We are really just looking for what? 26.7. I would like to go higher. I would like to go farther. I would like to go so much more. Membership levels. Can I do this while I'm live? Whales only. $500. No one's ever signed up for that one. $500 a month? What do you mean? What do you mean? That's a friendly deal. What do you mean $500 a month for emojis isn't a good deal? What? That's a bunch of malarkey. You're ready. Membership offer. Membership levels. Offering at least 3 price levels. Oh, ad level. Here we go. Ad level. Level 5. Short. 99 cents. Should be $1.99 or 99. Looks like $1. 99 cents. All right. Did that work? Unnamed level 1. Unnamed level 1. Call it gift me, baby. There we go. I shouldn't have done that while I was live, but I did. Gift me. Add perk. None. You don't get any perks. There's no perks. There we go. It's not working. Add custom perk. Custom perk title, nothing. Perk description, nothing. There we go. Perk instructions? Does it need instructions? Okay. Delete level. Done. I shouldn't have done that while I was live. It was irresponsible, but Bitcoin was going up. So I figured you guys would not go anywhere. All right, it takes 24 hours to be reviewed. There's no reason I did that live. Oh, well, it is what it is. We're holding on to our viewers strong. The likes are coming up. Everything's coming together. Keep voting in the poll. Sign up with Femex to impress Kai. Where's yours? Oh, maybe you'll get one. That's why I made a lower price one, so we can just gift out tons of them. I figure there's like some benefit to them. Certainly it's not making money, but live Bitcoin Spice. Change the title, some clickbaitier. Perfect. All right, I'm back, chat. I'm back. 420 likes and we'll gift out more memberships. Go. Laura Fakri. Interesting. Laura says, I have $1,000 and would like to join the fiesta. Your recommendations, please. Laura. Recommendation number 1. You are saying something like that, you're going to get scammers to message you. They can't message you here on YouTube, but in general, you're going to get scammers after you saying something like that. They're going to shill you whatever, shitcoins, or they're just going to take your money. So be careful. That was my first recommendation. My second recommendation, while it's not financial advice, but I believe the most successful approach to crypto is to DCA, dedicated cost average, or dedicated dollar average, whatever you want to call it, over time into Bitcoin. So I would take, personally, if I was in that scenario, I'd take that $1,000. I would break it down to maybe 50, put in like 50 a month times 10 to 20. That'll get you like 2 years. If you want to go a little faster, you do like 100 a month or whatever makes sense to you, just over time, without emotion, without buying it because it went up, without selling it because it goes down, just slowly buying at a fixed time interval indefinitely, really. With money you can afford to lose. That's what I would do. The second thing I would potentially do is a little more complicated. You should join the Discord and we'll tell you about it. But just be careful. That's my first thing, I would say. Definitely going to get scammed. In an interesting turn of events, one sec. Don't go anywhere. Keep hitting the like button. I have you're not going to want to miss when I come back in 30 seconds. Something very, very compelling. Stay tuned. Hit the like button. Wasn't even 30 seconds. I guess I left my phone and my vape in the bathroom. That's dedication. It's a man who spends a lot of time in the bathroom. Okay. Decoder ring? Hell yeah. What's up, Crypto King? French toast. Return of debate. Damn the suspense. It wasn't bad. The totally compelling, crazy thing that you didn't want to miss was a lie. I never lie to you guys, so that's why it's so crazy. I didn't have anything. I can come up with something, though. Don't worry. I already added a $1 membership level today for you. What more can I do? What more can I do? Total crypto looking not so hot here. We speculated about 1 trillion, actually, which is interesting. Did hit 1 trillion. Hopefully support at 1 trillion. Unfortunately, at 1.1 trillion here on the day, is this the day? The daily and weekly moving averages. This is interesting. Total, I think it's true on Bitcoin as well. But on the day and week, this kind of sounds like something not important, but it's very unusual to see not just the daily 200. So the average price of the last 200 days is roughly equal to the last price averaged of the last 200 weeks. That's very unusual. That would suggest that for 200 weeks, price is relatively at the average. It's very, very odd. Not usual. Seeing it right now, it might be like, oh yeah, that probably happens a lot. Nah, not really. Not really. We have the 200-day and 200-week here. They crossed on July 20th. Price only went down since then. Interesting. But they're right here. Likely to act as resistance, unfortunately. We are back below the 200 weekly, which is the line in the sand for me. I said when we're above it, I'm bullish. When we're below, I'm short-term bearish. Keyword short-term. Short to mid-term. But it does look like we're going to have a lot of resistance coming back up there with both of those major moving averages. Your 0.5 retrace. This is the danger zone. I'm actually going to put an alert here. 1.1 trillion. Cross your fingers. Pray to your deities that when total hits 1.1 trillion, again, it blasts through and doesn't get rejected. Pray. Pray. We need all of our prayers. But the day's certainly shaping up, isn't it? Day's certainly shaping up. It's still in a bullish engulfing. Still in a bullish engulfing here. That'll be true above 26.1. We're looking for the daily and weekly closes above 26 and change. Visibility. There we go. Yeah. You know what? Let's look at some weird time frames. Have I ever thought about giving up the vape? Bean. Well, first and foremost, I want to say smoking is bad. It is not cool. Don't smoke, especially if you're a minor. With that said, YouTube, you can't be mad at me. I started vaping to quit cigarettes, and it worked. I tried I even tried like Chantix and stuff to quit smoking. Nothing worked. Vaping, quit, easy peasy. Never smoked a cigarette. It's been like 7 years. I don't know. So, have I tried quitting it? Not really. I quit cigs. I'm happy with that. 2-day, VWAP and momentum both pinched. Interesting. With a day to go. Strong close. We might see the follow-up. Could bring us to that 29-ish zone. Let's throw Ichi on here as well. We do have a weakness here. That TK's guarding the KJ. Don't love that. 2-day cloud flipped bearish. I don't love that either. That the twisting of the clouds shows a changing of the winds. Changing of the winds. It's Japanese. Ichimoku Cloud. Resistance 27.7. Changing of the winds on the 3-day, not ideal. 4-day, not quite yet. We're just dipping into the cloud here. We see a lot of overlap at about 27.8. A lot of overlap there. Bullish divergence. So here's actually the really sweet takeaway, and I can make a clickbait video if I wanted. The sweet takeaway is this sell-off, like I said earlier in the episode, RSI on the daily is low, the lowest it's been since March of 2020. This has really been a 20% drop from the high. March of 2020 was a 60% drop, or higher depending on how you want to calculate it, but from the immediate high to the low. This is a 20% drop, and RSI is in the dirt. Now, this is so weird that this keeps doing this. I don't hate it, though. You can see this a lot better than their purple on purple. RSI new low here for the year. We can see, I guess the year started lower, but immediately went up. New RSI low, no low in price. This is visible on the 4-day. It's visible on the 3-day. It's visible on almost every time frame, specifically the days. In fact, on the 2-day, this low is an even lower low than down at 15.5K. On the day, all the way back to March of 21, you'll have to go to find a lower low. On the 5-day as well, we're really just looking at longer time frames to see how deep this goes. There we go. Lower low. On the 6-day, so we go to the week, and it's on the weekly as well. Why is it doing that? That's so weird. Either way, it is a lower low on the week with a higher low in price. So what this means is essentially we have a very bullish signal, provided that Bitcoin does not break below 24.8. If it breaks below 24.8, then we have a lower low in price and a lower low in RSI. And remember, when RSI and price are doing the same thing, there's no divergence. The divergence comes when price and RSI start doing different things. Price hitting a higher high, RSI not hitting a higher high, etc. So this would be a bullish signal above 24.8. Potentially, you could take a trade based on that, the right trader. Calculate out your risk. I don't know if I love that trade, but the logic is there. It's all the way to the week. So if 24.8 breaks, no more divergence, maybe you get more bearish, maybe you want to be out of a position, right? I haven't looked at the month. This is so strange. On the month, we still have that same, it's even visible on the month. Interesting. Month does not look so hot though on MarketCypher B, but virtually every time frame. It's still like 2 weeks or something. 2 weeks. Every single time frame I can find. 3 week. It's still like 2 month. Something I never look at. Not on the 2 months. So all the way out. So every time frame, basically from the day to a month, no, to more than a month, up to the monthly point has bullish divergence, provided 24.8 holds. It's interesting. It's not bad. Here we go. We're still climbing. Climbing step by step. We're going to look at some alts here. Let me read the chat again. Do you notice that you vape more than smoking cigarettes? It was so long ago. I used to smoke more than a pack a day, so maybe. Careful with trading bots? Yeah, be very careful with trading bots. Lara Fakri, I really hope when you say trading bot, you're referring to like 3 commas or something that's like maybe built into an exchange that's trusted. Really hope you don't mean you downloaded a program. Trading bots are the oldest crypto scam in the book. Like, the oldest. With no question. What's up, Tommy Boy? What's up, Not Dave Digital's alt account? How you doing, man? Bearish on SIGs? Yep. Absolutely bearish on SIGs. Dixie looks like it's getting rejected. Okay. All right. Geezy tings. Let's see. I have dollar up here. Let's see the damage. Ooh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. Looking for lower. Let's see. Oh, good eye, mate. Good eye. Looking right here. 103.5. We did see higher today. It looks like dollar rallied all the way to almost 104. That might be a rejection. 5 hours and a half. And we'll get a pretty good idea. That's looking very bad. If it closes even right here, even lower, of course, would be worse. But basically, bullish engulf daily, rejection, exhaustion from the wick, close below the daily open for the bearish engulf, and that looks cooked for the short term, like the rest of the week, doesn't it? That could line up with equities rallying. I'll take it. Weekly, not so hot here with the Doge at the top. 2 days, 6 hours to go. Closing, obviously, 102.8 or lower would be really bad. I don't hate it. I don't hate it, man. Good eye, Greasy. I didn't look at that today. I didn't even look at that today. This is starting to look just like almost every single one of these peaks, isn't it? The weekly looks like it's working on some bearish divergence on the highs for the dollar. Let's see. It's okay for now. SPX. So this is interesting. SP 500 is doing a little rally today. It's up 1.17% after kind of reversing here in late July, touching back. Now, here's what I don't like. And I'm sure half of the room has already looked at this. Call it like this. Something like this. You can see this painting out, right? Do I think this is going to happen? I think it's going to come down to the dollar. It's going to come down to the dollar. If the dollar continues to be strong, doesn't get rejected, then I think this plays out. If the dollar takes a dump down to the 100 zone here into the end of this year, I think we see the opposite of what I just drew. Let me see that. It's going to inverse follow the dollar, in my opinion. In my opinion. Creators Crypto, what's up, man? Creators Crypto, do you make videos? If NVIDIA doesn't meet expectations today, it will be a bloodbath on the S&P. NVIDIA. NAS pumping. What's NAS, Mike? NAS? Ooh. Wouldn't that be some prime time for NVIDIA not to hit earnings right at the all-time high yesterday and just take everybody's money? Possible. I feel like the AI, in my opinion, hasn't changed on AI. It is going to change everything, and it's going to change everything much faster than we expect it to. However, I think the initial explosion of interest is simmering now. I think people kind of found this new thing and their minds were open to all these possibilities, and I think it's becoming apparent that perhaps AI isn't a future teller, right? People thought, I'll ask AI the price of Bitcoin tomorrow. Well, how's that gone for you? Not well. There's no AI that's predicting Bitcoin's price very well. AI just simply isn't omnipresent. It's very good at doing some things, and it's going to make life a lot better in many different aspects, but it's not going to change everything. I just said it'll change everything. There are aspects that it can't touch yet. Let's put it that way. Ethereum rallying with Bitcoin, but it's right back here, right to where it fell from on the 21st. Closing above there will be pretty nice. Actually, above 1700, and Ethereum will be kind of joining the rest joining the rest. H-bar doing exactly what we thought. Right to resistance, closed last week just like all these other upside candles. Looking for a Doge close again and hopefully another higher high into next week for NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Rune rejected at resistance, huh? Doge. God, you look like shit, Doge. I love you, but you look like shit. Bum, bum, bum. Doge, you look like crap. However, you look like crap. But yeah, hold 6.14 cents and you're okay. It's just, I have seen this play out so many times in crypto, and virtually every time it leads to this. Virtually every time. Ooh, yikes. That was our long entry. Still is. Still unstopped. But man, talk about stressful. You have a little bullish divergence off your low here on Doge. In fact, this low from Bitcoin likely to really just paint divergence everywhere. This sell-off was so ridiculous. It was so ridiculous. We have not seen many like it. Ooh, we almost have 500 viewers. I knew we could do it, fam. It's because you guys are doing so well interacting with the chat, hitting likes. We still have 45 likes to get to 420. And I have a special gift for you all when we get to 420. So there's 500 of us. We can get them right now. 420 likes. Just click the button, please. Please. If you've already clicked the like, you could join the Discord or subscribe. You know, there's other stuff you could do. Greatly appreciated. But I'll be giving some gifts to the chat at 420 likes. We have 390, 392. That number is rocketing faster than Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin taking a breather. 22 likes. We went from needing 45 to 20. Teamwork, fam. Teamwork. Teamwork is dreamwork. Go down to really low time frames while I wait for 420. Don't love the 1 minute here. 1 minute showing some bear div. It is the 1 minute, but it's not to be given too much weight. But we have our highs coming up, our RSI highs coming down. Not great. Not great. Not great. 1 minute though, being kind of sticky on the upside. 5 minutes, we're starting to see that bear div play out as well with our lower high here. No, Market Cipher B is not sold, man. Market Cipher B is saying this isn't an uptrend. Don't fade it. With the 15. We saw that earlier, though. The 15 looked like it was going to roll over, and it didn't. It kept going. Boom, boom, boom. Well, here we go on this rally. So here we go. Our measured move, our 2 Fibonacci extension, using our swing high to swing low locally, gives us 26,576. Now we were looking for like 26,700, which is only like $120 off, which is about 0.5%. However, it's hit the measured move. We're starting to get some bearish divergence. This was the original plan. That might get put on hold. Temporarily. Might get put on hold here. Beautiful. I don't know what song this is. I kind of like it. Boom, 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 boom. I don't even know if you guys can hear it. 2 hours rolling over after this monstrous money flow to the negative right here on the 13th. Was that the dump? Actually gave us the signal back here. 2 hour rolled over to negative money flow right here, gave us a signal. We got our dump. Now just now looking to roll back over. I think we see that BART Simpson in play. Now, it does not straight up, but I think we might see some pulling back here today, hopefully in bouncing. But I think that the BART Simpson is in play, man. The reverse Simpson. That is a horrifying BART Simpson. I'll delete that for everyone's sanity. I hope it can break past, but typically when you hit the measured move and you can reevaluate your trade, basically. It's like, might be good with the profit there if you had already opened a long, but maybe not. Come on, 486 viewers, 420 likes. There we go. Hell yeah. Our 420 license, fam, how long has it been? How long has it been since we've hit 420 likes? I think we have on like the Trapao streams and stuff, but like in just a normal chillin' stream, it has been a while. It has been such a while. I already gave out 5. I can't do 1. The gift me perk is there, but I can't gift it. That's weird. Is that what it shows for everyone else? It shows I can sign up for it. Like I can sign up for the 99 cents. Although what happens if I sign up for my own? We'll find out. The level is called Gift Me in caps. Let's see if I can buy my own membership. I've never tried this. It's an experiment while I wait. I guess I'm a member of my own thing. That's weird. Okay. It just bugged out and like moved. It like left the stream for me. Tom Crown has become a member of Tom Crown. Huh. I can't find the 99 cent one. It won't let me do it. It's called money laundering? No, it's called paying taxes over and over again. It's like I'm paying post-tax money for income that will be taxed and will be taken by Apple and be taken by YouTube. I didn't even know you could do that. All right, we'll gift out another 5 just because you guys are so great. By the way, if you want one of these free memberships, it's chosen at random, but YouTube says that the more you engage with this live stream, the live stream that it's gifted out on, the more likely you are to receive said gifted memberships. So I'm going to give you guys 60 seconds to put something in the chat, like, subscribe, etc. to up your chances. You also have to opt into them, which it should just prompt you. It should be like a little toggleable thing. I don't know why you have to be. It doesn't auto-renew and charge you or something, so I don't know why you have to accept it. But I'll give you like 60 seconds to go ahead and engage, enable, and then you can be a winner. Reminder while you do that everyone's a winner in the Discord. I gift everyone some Bitcoin after every live stream. I make you a Bitcoin holder, so make sure you're in there. You don't have to do anything. All right. 500 viewing. We need 4 more to have 500. We have 496. As I gift these away, will it be enough to push us over 500, 495? Let's find out. Spending and burning my own money. Basically just paying Apple and YouTube here. Well, that's not Apple, but yeah, paying YouTube. There we go. LFG fam. LFG, there it is. I signed up as a member of my own thing. So strange I can't do the cheap one. Oh well, there it is. There it is. BG, my man. M. Sumanth. Sock Sanity. Sock Insanity. I am the gift. Thank you. It's autopilot. In Tom we trust. Remember, guys, don't trust anyone. Not even me. Gotta trust your gut. Trust yourself. Enjoy the subscription. You ask the best question, says Barabine. Cheat to the moon together, Crypto Gamer. Yes. Congrats, everyone. Congrats. What's up, Demolis? I see a lot of new names in the chat all of a sudden. Still hovering under 500, but I see a lot of new names. I see 10x Nino, Alan Clark, Alejandro B, Alex X, Alan Daniel, Andreas, Jodius, Asurargentu, Tazvrig, BG, B Team Crypto, Barabine. These are like all different names, and when I shouted it out just like an hour ago. BGT44, Big Hands Little Spoon, what's up, dude? Bin Chicken, Boss, G-Main, CG, Chris Buchanan, Coden, Craig Bowen, Creators Crypto, you're here. CryptoX Gamer, Crypto Craze, DV, Demeals, David, Dave Digital, DJ Johnny, Ducks, On the Pond Hockey. Shout out to Ducks. Ed Alexander, who else is new? Hallucin Constantine. It's Autopilot JC, Jedi Skirk, Jericho Steel. Keep engaging as Bitcoin rallies. It'll help it. Juan, Julian, Kevin Kovorowitz, K-Ray Gias, Cryptonautic. What's up, man? How you doing, brother? My brother Angel. Quicker. Marky, Matthew Miller's here. Welcome back, friend. Miran Halilovic, Mountain Man, Mr. McPickle, Mr. M, Mr. Jake, Mr. Wrigley, Nanny Me, NBF Forum, Nick Divil, Phil the Flying Frenchman, Philly Skills. Who else? Who else is new here? Rules Crypto, Robert Nitz, S3, Sandy. I don't mean new to the channel. I mean showed up since last time I shouted people out. Skip Factor, Stan KG, Steve D, Stretcher Monkey, William Stone, YouTube channel, When Moon. The moon was the friends we made along the way. It's in our hearts the whole time, guys. Bitcoin on the precipice, potentially a breaking out here. It does have some bearish divergence on our lower time frames. We do see it consolidating below our measure move target at 26,550. Bearish divergence. I don't love it. Waiting basically for the rejection or the breakout to our original target, 26.7, 26.8. Now, why 26.7, 26.8? Is that random? Did I randomly choose it? What's happening? No, I did not. I did not. Basically, it's the range high, but also looking at perps. You have a nice little bundle of low-hanging fruit shorts here. Now, that does extend all the way up, and in fact, this is not the extent of liquidations. We can't see them all. Oop. And I'm going to shut up. Wait. Why? 580. I'm getting alerts. Hold up. But that's where it was. There we go. We are breaking out despite potentially those low time frames. That's why I said it's the 1 minute. Don't pay it too much mind. 26.786. And my long, my irresponsible long, is now only down $25. $37 now, but down 0.5% or 36 bucks. I'm back near my entry of a not so well advised long position. Do I have more margin? I did have some more margin. Hey yo, opening a little bit short under my long. That was really dumb. That was dumb. Oh well. Oh well. Got excited. Got excited. Bearish divergence continues on the 1 minute as our highs continue to move up and our RSI highs fail to set new highs. Bear div. Hey, Professor Beans, how you doing? You want to be on camera? She's like, no. She's like, no, I want Dad to take me poop. Is that right? Yeah. In a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. Take you out. 15 minute coming on in. Coming on in. Nice little rally today. Nice little rally. Got a nice little Bitcoin pump going. Nice little pump in all caps. You're on a tea break. What's up, Kisco Kid? What's tea break? A J break? Bulls need to start their run. I agree. XRP will overtake everything. I mean, how long has XRP been around? 3, 6, 7 years. It's done all right. It's done all right. Overtake everything. I mean, everyone's welcome to their own opinion. Let's see what CoinGecko says. Biggest gainer, SUI. We can look at SUI. Biggest loser, Monero, but barely lost anything. Does look like a overall market bounce today. So it should be reflected on total. Total, yeah, it's reflected. But, you know. Guess I don't have an SUI chart. I don't even know what it is. Okay. A suey. A suey. Oh. Ooh. Ugh. Ah, ugh. Weird. It's a weird chart. Okay, this coin started in May. That might make a little sense as to why. Yes, Professor Beans, you can sit right underneath my chair. Hi. Hi, Boop. Do you want to be on camera, little Boop? Said, no, I want to lick you to let you know I want to go poop. That's why I got a monthly, say $1 is a good upside target for whenever this does decide to move up meaningfully. You do have a little bullish engulf going on SCY. Looking for a weekly close above 59. Let's call it 60 cents. Currently trading right about there anyway. Just today. Doing all right, actually, for the moment. Okay. All right, maybe this has some more upside today. It's the only problem is like the problem for me is that this is a knife. It's like a knife in its purest form. In its purest form. Your 0.5 retrace, I don't usually even use this, but you have so little data that why not? Your 0.5 retrace is at like 48 cents, which is literally the low here. So I'm actually going to delete that. If you lose this low, you're looking for like 31 cents, but there's just no support below it. There won't be. There won't be. Didn't trade there. No, like, nothing really fits on this well. This, I guess. Something like that. I don't love this chart. Who has SUI in this room? Who's bought this? Speaking of SUI, whatever happened to SEI? Did I get wrecked? Did I get rugged? Looks like I got kind of rugged. Oof. I bought it at 17. Now it's at 15. Went as low as 14. Yeah, I got rugged. This is a VC funded shiz coin, SEI. Came out a few days ago. Not doing so hot. You know what's funny is this looks like the 2017 Bitcoin like bull market top, basically, on the 30-minute. Come on, Corn. Push it out for us a little bit higher. Give the people what they want. Crypto Curtis. People ask you where you got your shades, and you refer them to me. I appreciate that. Do you have these shades? I don't know. If you do, hell yeah, brother. If you don't, oh well. YOLO. Huge token unlock for SUI and Aptos. You know what's funny, Greasy, is Aptos had a huge token. No, I'm thinking DYDX. DYDX or something had a big token unlock, and we ended up buying some spot, and the token unlock did nothing. It didn't go down from there. In general, I don't invest any significant amount of money into anything that has token unlocks. I don't think that they are good for long-term price to have unlocking tokens bought for nothing in the hands of rich people. Whoa. Danny Trifan, Tom with a short, be wise. Depends what your target is. I mean, I bet you could eke out about 2% down to 26K pretty easy. Depends. A short is so generic. Like, spot? 100 million X? Probably not 100 million X, so. Alright. These lows keep coming up. I'm actually starting to like the way TradingView put RSI on this. We might get more. I mean, 26.7. 26.7 looking for the classic BART. And BART's forehead is just coming into view. Let's tweet that. We haven't done a live tweet in a bit. What's happening? Let's say incoming. Ooh, all caps, all caps. There we go. The trick to the whole point, or I guess the trick to this, is to try to get people to think it's bearish. So incoming BART on Bitcoin, inverted chart. Those suckers. They won't know. They won't know it hit them. Copy link. Put it in the chat. There you go. No, it's whoa. No, it's weird. Is it just me? Is this just me, guys? Or did I lose my little crown because I signed up for my own? Do you guys see this? Is this what you see on your side? You usually have like a little crown as your channel owner, right? I guess I don't get it now because I have the magnet? I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? I don't really care. Doesn't matter. Bitcoin stalling. Where are we at in the hour? 7 minutes till the hourly close. All right. Yeah. It's gone. That's weird. That is weird. I think I can do it so it doesn't show it though. I don't know. That's so odd. As far as I know, you're not supposed to even be able to do that. So maybe we hacked the system. Tom Magnet, baby. How will we know who the king is now? I do not know, man. I do not know. That's weird. I don't think you're allowed to do that. YouTube might come after me. You're supposed to like have your membership no matter what. Oh well. Inversion has made just skip a few hard beats. Yeah. Bait and trade fi. I think you see a sub 50-cent Matic. Let's see what I think. Matic versus Bitcoin. It looked like it's found some support here, hitting the same level, weakening it June, July, August. But your RSI lows are coming up. It's interesting. You have a little bullish divergence against BTC here. It's too busy. Weird. Let's look at the dollar. Sub 50-cent Matic. Oof. That's too busy. Let's look at Matic. Let's take a fresh peek at Matic. Ooh, I hear... You know what? I don't even know if we had subscribers today, but I think we just got one. And that's Market M. My man, Market M. Shout out to you. You're one of the few subscribed today. Ma Man G Bendrick subscribed as well. Mike J subscribed 44 minutes ago. That's it. That's it. Is that only 3 subscribers? I think we've been live for like 2 hours, right? 12:30. It's an hour and a half. Wow. Bear market times, baby. Bear market times. What was that noise? I've never heard my computer make that noise. Wild. Bear market on subscribers. That's okay. Matic on the dollar pair. Ooh. If you were looking for a sub 50-cent Matic, I'd probably be looking at 48.1. It's your monthly fair value gap sitting there. And your quarterly fair value gap has not been filled. What a weird yearly. I don't love this. I don't love what we're seeing here. Lower highs. Deep retracement there. It's a good question. It's going to be a hard one to answer. You have hit kind of this support at 50 cents a few times. You do have a pretty strong level of 48.1. You can see looking left, this was the consolidation before the all-time high. We've tested that as support once. The more times you test it, the weaker it becomes, but you've tested it once. Problem here is if you do test this again, you're really going to have to worry about any rally. Because if you see another lower high, then you're going to dump town. Really, if we see 50 cents or not on Matic, it's going to come down to the crypto market, right? If everything dumps, if Bitcoin dumps from here and breaks lower than 25 or whatever it hit, probably. It's really hard to do individual TA on coins right now. That's why I did look at the BTC pair first. I do like that it looks like it's found some support here. So I think you are going to see a little bit of a move to the upside on Matic. However, you might just see it trade sideways in Bitcoin dump, and that would also fulfill that. This bearish divergence does seem to be coming on in. Playing in hot. Uh-oh. Too many screens, man. If you haven't subscribed out there, any of you 500, could you do me a favor and subscribe today? It'll make my day. Just one more. Un más tiempo. Por favor. I won't ever speak in Spanish again if you subscribe. Looks like you guys want the $1 membership. I already set that up. See how that goes. My bank is calling me. I don't think so, suckers. I'm my own bank. Fair value gaps valid for any time frame. Vishar too. Absolutely. Really the same approach as I have with anything when a question comes of fair value gap, or not fair value gap, of time frame. Every time frame is valid. The shorter the time frame, though, the more likely or the more often it'll give you false signals. The less reliable it is. The longer the time frame, the more reliable they are. And that goes for everything. It's not just fair value gaps. Literally everything in trading. ADA having a little move to the upside today, 3% up. Looks like potentially holding that 26.1 cents as support. It did stop us out. Did not fill our short. Still don't love the look of this until it's above 31. ADA is sketchy at best. XRP, now that long did not get stopped. I didn't take it. That wick was pretty wild, though. Really everything reeling from that dump. You're looking to long at 55 cents and people are like, that's not going to happen. Well, it did happen. Just went a lot lower. 43.2. Gonna have lots of divergence on your low, just like everything else. This like I really think that everything, and that's a general statement, but I think that everything is going to see in crypto a retracement to the upside. Really, because I think total crypto market cap is going to make a retracement to the upside, maybe towards 1.1 trillion. What happens there is going to be very important for the rest of the year. Very important. Jericho Steel, welcome to Gift Me. Oh yeah. What up, Todd McAfee? Matthew Miller, do I have an alternative YouTube membership? You'll be a member, but not if it requires giving your NSA. No. YouTube membership, Matthew, is like 100% through YouTube. There's no... It's just through YouTube. You don't have to sign up. They're really just for fun. Really just for fun. You always sign... I mean, I have a patron still. You want to sign up for patron, you can. You don't really advertise it anymore. That link should work. CryptoFace says that Bitcoin will never reach its all-time high of 69K again. Cisco Kid. What's your opinion of that statement? My opinion of that statement is I disagree with it. I disagree with it. CryptoFace is a great trader, a great friend of mine. Very smart dude, the creator of Market Cipher, a tool I use every day in trading. Sign up using that link. I disagree. I've heard that about every price point. People said that about 20K. Felt very real. wasn't real. People will say that about this high. Giggity. Speaking of high, 420 baby. People will say that about the next all-time high. It'll never break that. Whatever that is, 100, 150, 200, 300. It'll never break that. That's just the perpetual state of crypto, is that it will never break its all-time high. It'll never be worth this much, and it just ends up being worth that much eventually. Bitcoin doesn't care about our price predictions. It doesn't care about people's being bearish. Doesn't care. Whatever arguments people bring, Bitcoin does not give a shit. And it's been proving that for 14 years almost. Crypto Steve-O, is there a way to do TA factoring and huge token unlocks? Not really. I mean, what you could do is look at the total amount of tokens unlocked. Look at the value being unlocked, and then look through exchanges order books and see the liquidity. And if there's less liquidity than it's unlocking, you can be like, oh, well, it could dump this far. But that's pretty unreliable. That's there. You can't put them on a chart. You could say there's going to be more bearish pressure, so you might ignore more bullish signals, or ignore bullish signals that you usually wouldn't, or you might give more attention and weight to bearish signals that you might not normally give weight to. But there's no like mathematical way now, other than looking at how much is being unlocked dollar-wise, looking at liquidity, the available orders. Any views on XLM, Adam Clark? You know what? I'm glad you asked, because I think our XLM filled. It did, baby. Wow. Look at that fire. That fire. We're looking to go long at 11.2 cents. So far, so good. Trade up to 13.29, higher low. Nothing going on with RSI. Looking for like 15 cents on XLM, hopefully. This is a really strong setup chart-wise. You had resistance at 11.2. This was your major support turned major resistance. It got that nice little pop with XRP. Came right back down to that resistance as support. I mean, this is a good play. If you're feeling skittish on it, I think 15 cents is an easy TP on this. We were looking for higher, but no real opinion outside of that. Bitcoin's decided that we're streaming, so it's not going to move. Not going to move. Jericho Steel has become a member. Touchkin has become a member. No more new subscribers. That's okay, guys. You don't have to subscribe. At least join the Discord. It's beautiful. Bitcoin's waiting for me to end the stream. So, in that fashion, sign up for Femex and Fairdesk using my links. They're in the video description below. KYC is coming to BitGet September 1st. Femex, Fairdesk, KYC is optional, meaning you don't have to do it. It is going to become mandatory on BitGet September 1st. Protect your privacy. Sign up with one of them using my links, and you'll get up to $35,000 in bonuses. Bitcoin is going to move the second I end this stream, as it do. But I do appreciate you all joining. I hope to see you in the Discord after the live. I will be airdropping Bitcoin to every single member. And while you have time, if you're interested in getting learnt, not burnt, check out my educational shorts playlist. It's total fire. I love you, fam. I'll see you Friday. Unless it gets hella spicy, we'll stream emergency style.